Did you know Saturn could float? That sounds impossible at first. Saturn is huge. It is the second largest planet in our solar system. Only Jupiter is bigger. You would think something that massive would sink like a rock. But Saturn is different. Saturn is the least dense planet we know. Density is a measure of how much matter is packed into a space. Water has a density of about 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Saturn has a density of about 0.7. That means it is lighter than water. If there were a bathtub big enough to hold Saturn, the planet would float. Of course, there is no cosmic bathtub. This is just a thought experiment. But it helps us understand what Saturn is made of. Saturn is not a rocky world like Earth. It is a gas giant. That means most of Saturn is made of hydrogen and helium. These are the two lightest elements in the universe. Hydrogen especially is almost weightless compared to rock and metal. So Saturn looks massive. And it is massive, but most of that mass is spread out. Saturn is big and puffy, like a giant balloon compared to the small, heavy ball of Earth. The size tricks our eyes into thinking it must be heavier. But in truth, the average density is lower than water. If you could slice Saturn in half, you would not find a solid surface. Deep inside, there may be a small rocky core, but everything above that is gas. Thick layers of hydrogen, helium, traces of methane, ammonia, and other like compounds. As you go deeper, the pressure increases. Hydrogen turns into a liquid, then into something called metallic hydrogen. But even then, it is still lighter than the solid rock that makes up our world. So what does this mean? It means Saturn is not just beautiful with its famous rings. It is also a lesson in how strange planets can be. Our instincts say heavy things sink and light things float. But when you scale that up to planetary size, the rules can surprise you. Think about this. Saturn is over 95 times more massive than Earth. Yet if you could somehow place both into water, Earth would sink. Saturn would bob on the surface like a giant beach ball. That is the power of low density. Astronomers love this fact because it helps explain planet formation. The gas giants formed far from the sun, out where ice and gas could gather. They built massive atmospheres, not solid crusts. The further out you go, the more light gases dominate. Saturn is the perfect example. It also makes us wonder, what about planets beyond our solar system? Astronomers have already found exoplanets even puffier than Saturn. Some are called hot Jupiters. They are large, but so light they make Saturn look dense in comparison. Studying Saturn helps us understand those alien worlds too. So next time you look at a picture of Saturn, remember this. You are looking at a planet that could float. It is a giant made of gas. A world with incredible rings. A world that shows us how diverse planets can be. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more daily facts.